We're going to do a reverse sear New York strip today on Coupe de Grill, and I am really excited. Hey everybody, welcome back to Coupe de Grill. Today we've got a new gadget. Typhur sent us a new probe. We're going to check this out. They gave us this to try it out, and I actually haven't even used it yet. We charged the base. I took the stickers off. That is a probe, number one.
Oh,
and
neat.
there was a sticker on here. Always insert the probe
into the meat over this line to avoid damage.
There you go, and that's the line.
It's your meat line.
Make sure your probe is into your meat at least that far before you put it on the grill. We've downloaded the app. We can preset it. What we're going to do today is we're going to reverse sear a New York strip. So I've got myself a New York strip. That's going to be our real test. The other one, we're going to do a chicken breast for Mr. Grill. And we're going to make sure that that gets the temperature using probe number 2. So let's see how this goes. All right, we picked up this New York strip from the Super One here in Superior. And look at that beautiful cut of meat right there. Oh, man. Today we're going to use Famous Dave's Steak and Burger as a base. And we're going to add the Boar's Night Out White Lightning on top of that. We're going to take our meat probe 1. We're going to put it in right in the middle and as deep as it can go. There you go, right up to there. And that's ready for the grill. We're going to throw that on the smoker, and we are going to pull up the app and that charging contacts. Okay. Let's see. Target. Set up cook. So we're going to set up the cook. I'm going to set it to beef.
What is it?
New York strip.
Oh.
We go medium. So 136 to 145. So we're probably going to pull it off at 136, right? The bottom end of that. Pull it right off. We're going to put it on the gas side, and that's the reverse sear. So this is going to be super tender, super juicy, really not really smoky, but you're going to have that smoke flavor to it. Man, I've done a few of these, and I think the New York strip is my favorite steak to smoke. But we're going to do, medium. Next, insert the probe, and all right, so the smoker is set to 225, and the reason that we're using the Cuisinart today is, well, number one, we're only smoking a steak and a chicken breast, a couple packets of potatoes, but the big reason is that I like to use the gas side to get the sear on the steak once it's done on the smoker. And the steak this thick should take about an hour, maybe an hour and 20 minutes to get to that internal temperature that we're looking for before we pull it off and throw it on the gas grill. So we're not going to flip it. We're not going to anything. We're going to let it roll. We'll see you guys when we hit temperature. Good. All right. So probe number 2. Select that. Set up cook. We are going to do poultry. It is a chicken breast, and we want it well done. Shows you how to insert the probe. And start. There we go. Sounds good. Oh, we'll see you guys when those things are ready to come off the grill. All right, well, our chicken came off first. It is at 172 right now. But it told me to pull it off at 168. So we're going to see if this is done. I do believe that it is. And for all you naysayers out there that say you can't smoke a chicken breast,
it's so good.
It's so good. You just got to wrap it. It keeps the juices nice and in there, and you can still taste the smoke.
Oh yeah, nice and clear and juicy.
Perfect.
Okay.
We're going to cover that back up, and our steak is at 136, which means it's time to pull that off too and throw that on the smoker. Come on, check it out. Look at that. I did take just about a half a tablespoon of butter and put it over top of that before I started smoking it.
Oh.
I got down into there. Oh my God.
Wow.
Oh, that was dangerous. All right. So, about a minute or so is all you really need, and you're just going to throw it on here. I've already got the grill hot, so I'm going to about a minute. I'm going to flip it about a minute, and then I'm going to get the crisscross on there. So about another 4 minutes, and this thing is going to come out perfect. So like I said, I just like to get a crisscross on here. It doesn't take very long because it's already cooked to temperature, so we don't want to get this up much past that 140-ish, 140, 145. Well, yeah, 140, 145. So we're at 138. It's the second time that I flipped it, and it's only come up another 3 degrees. This is working out perfectly, you guys. Perfectly. One last flip.
And why is this a reverse sear?
Because you're getting it cooked to that internal temperature first, and then you're searing it afterward. Traditionally, you would sear the steak first and then throw it in like an oven or a slow cooker or whatever, and that sears all the flavor in there. When you reverse sear it like this on the smoker, you're letting that smoke flavor get into the meat before you sear it shut.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
I don't do steak, so I didn't know.
Well, there you go. About this.
Ooh.
And then we're going to let this rest for just a couple of minutes while our potatoes and our corn are finishing up. There we go.
The probe is free.
The probe is free. Oh my, that is really tender. There might be a little bit more. No, that's really pink in the middle. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see how juicy that is? Oh my goodness. And tender. Well, I'll tell you what. The typhur temperature probe that we've got here is worked out perfectly for us tonight. All right, well, there you go. Thanks for coming along with us here at Coop de Grill to cook that reverse sear New York strip. That's delicious.
Hydrating with Leinenkugels today.
Absolutely. Probably one of the last hot days we're going to have here in Wisconsin, this far north anyways. All right, well, thanks for coming along with us here today. Do not forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment. It helps grow our channel. Make sure your probe is into your meat at least that far before you put it on the grill, which it definitely will be. You stop it now. Oh, my goodness.
Yeah.
So,
okay, wait now. Slow down.
oh, no. Look at
I was, and then you ate it.
the typhur.
You're just gonna keep eating.
Well, I mean, I might as well get rid of this.
Oh, you might as well.
So we don't want anything bad to happen to it in transit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, good. I know exactly where that's
crap. Well, if you want to see more stuff like this where we try out cool things, check them out. She puts them over here. There you go. We're going to have this. You go check that out.